Our company, Les Journal Wilmes, is the leader in mineral water, bottled water in Morocco. It's 70% market share in Morocco. It's created in 1933 and it was integrated the exchange stock of Casablanca since 1940. We have our politic is is to participate on low carbon strategy, saving environment in accordance of our strategy of sustainable development based on the environment saving, on the human resource, and also anti-corruption. The company is now our main office is in Casablanca, and we have 3 sites of production. First one in Casablanca with injection molding for the reform, and also mineral and purified water bottling. Another site in south of Morocco, Tantan, also is for purified water. And the bigger is in Tarmilat, 250 kilometers from Casablanca, and it's for the mineral water, sparkling and still water. Okay. The site of Tarmilat, it's bottling 3 types of mineral water: CTLE, Lalahaya, Ulma sparkling water, and also Enafis. Production, yes, from Tarmilat now after it's going to different warehouse in Morocco, and it's distributed to the point of sale in direct distribution and also indirect distribution. Our company is certified ISO 9001 since 2000. Also for the certified 22000 from 2010, and also 14001 for environment since 2012. And our company integrates the Global Compact of United Nations since 2012, and also certified for security from since 2014. The value of the company is fidelity, innovation, and engagement, respect, and solidarity. This is the 5 values of our company. Yes. What about the GHG balance of the greenhouse gas strategy? We have made the first analysis of our emission of GHG this year, and the first national GHG balance of the mineral water sector in Morocco, and it's in development of emission factor specific to the Moroccan context, mineral water and table water in Morocco. We achieved through the use of the Moroccan tool for GHG accounting for the organization. The purpose is to locate its impact on the climate in terms of GHG, evaluate vulnerability and dependence on fossil oil, produce and offset this emission, and mono-C criterion impact on greenhouse. Yes. Methodology. The methodology is in accordance with the ISO 14069, and the tool update tool of accounting and synthesis of GHG emission by post, starting from the data of activity and updates carbon base of 300 emission factors, including 150 specific in Morocco. This is the methodology of calculation of our emission of. Yes. Okay. You know that the GHG depend of the analysis. We have to go to the 2 scopes, scope 1 and scope 2. Scope 1 is from source or controlled by the company, vehicle and equipment, stationary combustion, wastewater treatment, and on-site planning. The scope 2 is regarding the from generation of electricity, heat or steam purchased by our company, purchase electricity, purchase heating and cooling, purchase of steel. And also we can go to the scope 3, that few companies also go to scope 3, but a lot of them stay at scope 2. Yes. Scope 3 is from source of not owned by directly controlled by the related company, like transport of poly, community, business travel, contracted solid waste disposal, contracted wastewater and treatment and others. This is the third scope. That is normally it's not we stay at the 2 scope only. Yes. What is the result of our analysis? Okay. Let us show the good. Global rate of GHG emission year 2015. You know that we have bottled in 2015 640 million liters of water. That's our production. And the total emission is 160,000 tons of CO2. That is the total emission of our company during 2015. Okay, this emission is about terminals. We have the biggest factory, yes, and Bouskoura, yes. Excuse me, yes. We have terminal with the bottling water at 17.6%, and with the lighting it's 4.7%, and the injection molding it's 77.6%. That is the bigger. Injection molding is to manufacture the preform. That is preform, it's manufactured in Casablanca, and after it dispatched to different sites of production. This is the small bottle before blowing the water. This is the biggest for the CO2 effect. If we make the calculation, if we look all the 3 scopes, we are about 250 gram CO2 per liters water produced. And if we look only for the 2 scopes, we are about 180. That is the same as the biggest company in Europe. 180 now, it's the same value as the biggest company in Europe for mineral water in this sector. That we see that we are not we are in phase with all the development for this sector. Yes. And we are not satisfied. Even if 180 is not satisfied, we want to go lower. Yes. And what is our target? As politic for 2021 to reduce about 25% our emission of gas. Yes. That means 40,000 tons of CO2 per hour. That is our strategy, our engagement, to participate in all the efforts for the world to reduce the gas emission and to participate to save and act on the climate change. This engagement of our company in the future. It's, our sustainable development strategy, how to do it. It's due to the eco-innovation. Eco-innovation means reduce the weight of the bottles, different bottles, reform, and also for the energy, also to control all the consumption of energy, to invest in new equipment. We don't consume a lot of energy. You know that now all the manufacturing of the equipment out. Is compete about consumption of energy, and that we need to invest in new equipment. It is consume more energy than the old equipment. And the water economy also, we are in the mineral water, we have to save the resource also. It's our responsibility also. And we have to protect this natural resource, and we have also to save and to reduce the consumption also. Eco-energy that we talk about, you know, the equipment, new equipment, also to manage with scientific management of the control of all the consumption. Also in eco-distribution, you know, we make distribution to every sales point, and we use the tax, yes, in different states in Morocco, and we have to organize the sector and the road to minimize the consumption per liters distributed. Okay, also we have a policy to make deforestation near the source and prevent others cycling model. Yes. What is the perspective? Perspective to reduce, for reducing, this is example, yes. For the small bottle, 33 centiliters, for example, we reduce the weight of this bottle, and then we can save 9,228 tons CO2 by reducing the weight of this small bottle. And using the new technology, because we can reduce, to reduce, you have to use the new technology of blowing to take the same resistance of the bottle with a low weight. Also for the big 500 liters, we have to reduce also the weight, and for small bottle 50 centiliters, this one reduce also the weight. Then we can save also 5,651 tons CO2. Yes. Also, using the vegetable also. You know that this bottle that you see here is with 30% vegetable plastic. It's 70% for oil and 30% is vegetable. You see this one. That we have also to continue. This is the price now. It's expensive. This plastic is expensive than the other. 30% expensive than normal goods. And we have to invest. The company invests and to sell the same price than others with 30% of vegetable. Yes, for this one. Okay. For the energy also, we have to install in communicating energy meters and Modbus network in all our factory. Supervised of the exceed consumption by source of consumption of all the sites. Then our target is to save 10% per liters for consuming energy per liters. Yes. We have also in our project to use the solar photovoltaic pumping intermittent from our source to pump the water to the factory with the solar energy. Yes. And then we have for the CDLE to save 314 megawatts, Woodmass 436 megawatts, and another band 780 megawatts in others. Yes. Then we can avoid 17,652 tons per CO2 per year. About the water economy. Also, we have to recycle the waste and the rinsing water of the filling machine, decrease the Leidig bill by 10%. Leidig is the company who supply the tap water in Casablanca, because we manufacture also purified water from tap water municipality. And we have programmed to save 10% of consumption. Construction of a pool of 150 meters cubic meters for the collection and processing of recycled industrial water, and watering and irrigation of green area of the state and the region. Then we can say the total 400 cubic meters of water per day, that is sufficient for one small countries of 10,000 people. Yes. Also, we are talking about eco-distribution, that we have to also optimize transfer between the site and set target, optimize distribution canal sellers. We introduce the handheld in our distribution, and we have the pre-sales also, that we can, when our trucks is moved, it directly to give the products directly to the point of sales, and not take a lot of kilometers before taking this product. We are now optimizing with the handheld, with the IT also, to reduce the consumption of the trucks on distribution activities. And forestation, to neutralize the effect of greenhouse gas, several projects with planned, such as in Termilet. Termilet is the site where we are, our manufacturing is 250 kilometers from Casablanca. Yes. In Termilet we have also the carrotterie, and for total of 2 tons CO2 per year per hectare sequestered. And also it's planting lavender. In this site, lavender now is doing very well, and we have the project also to plant many hectares with this plant for promotion and local association. This also this interest for social interest also for the population. Yes, this plantation is for environment and social also. Yes. Okay. Thank you for your